Hey, kiddos. I want to talk to you today about coloring. And I know what you're going to say. Oh, Miss Crossley, I know how to color. Well, I'm sure you do. But there's a very special way that I want you to color because we're in kindergarten now and there's no scribble scrabbling. In kindergarten, we color in the lines, we use colors that make sense, and we use at least 5 different colors in order to color something. So let's go back over it. I want to color the sun. First, I'm going to choose a color that makes sense. So this is a very beautiful golden yellow that I'm going to use to color my sun. I'm going to go back and forth in the same direction, and I'm going to color in the lines. I'm not scribbling all over. I'm not going all different kinds of directions. I'm going to go the same direction, up and down, and I'm coloring in the lines. And I'm not using purple or green because our sun is yellow. And I want to use colors that make sense. Let's look at one of our people. Again, I'm going to choose a color that makes sense. So look around you. What colors of people do you see? I could see brown and beige and pink and peach. In this case, I'm going to use apricot. I'm going to color her face apricot color. I'm going to go up and down the same direction, staying in the lines. I'm not making purple. I don't have purple, people. I'm not doing green. I'm not coloring her dress the same color as her face and as her skin. I'm adding different details. Her dress is going to be a different color than what her face and hands were. And in this case, I'm going to use purple. Staying in the lines, going up and down, I'm going to color her dress the same color. But I'm not going to scribble all over the place. I'm going to completely fill in my picture. See? Look how pretty that looks. Now let's see. I want to use a different color for her shoes. I don't want to have the same color. Do you have the exact same color? Is your face the same color as your shoes? Probably not. See what a nice job I'm doing coloring everything in? This is what I do not want to see. I don't want to see some random color and then you go do this. This is not how a kindergartner colors. That's how a preschooler colors, and we are not in preschool. What color should my bus be? My bus should be yellow. Now, there are different color buses out there. If you've seen a different color bus and you want to color it that color, go for it. Your picture doesn't have to be exactly like mine. It needs to look nice. It needs to stay in the lines, and it needs to be a color that makes sense. Because those are some of our rules for coloring. There. So that's the start of my picture. What were my rules again? I have to stay in the lines. I have to use different colors. And I have to use colors that make sense.